Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is the beverage display coolers and for flower too if you want to use that. From the units, we can see they have a two swing door at the front. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length, they are about like a 35 inches wide. And the overall depths include the handlebars. They are almost like a 28.5 inches. And the overall heights for the unit, they are about like 80 inches tall. As you can see the front banners right here, and we're looking down the units, you will see the switches and the lights controls right here. And also have a controllers. You can set the temperature. They have a small digital display, can show you the informations. When we open the door, you can feel in we're having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layer of the units, and they come in with the two LED lights on the side. And let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. The inner side dimensions will be 32 inches wide. And about like a 20.5 inches deep. And for the shelving informations, they are about like almost 16 inches deep. And the 30.5 inches wide. The height for the inner side about like a 53.5 inches tall. That's all the information about the front door. And let's take a look at the back side of the units. As you can see, the back side, we're having the car sheets right here, all the informations about the units. And looking down the bottom, you can see we're having the mounted compressors inner side, and they have a frame to cover it. And this using the 110 standard US plugs for the units. And that's all the information about these units. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much and have a nice day.